Hey everyone, I'm Ashley from Career in STEM. I'm here with my distance learning students and we're going to make this quick video to show you how to use the vision board template. So as you can see, this is a Canva file and you'll be using this as a template. So everything on this template is a template. You can change it in any way that you want. So you can click on something to change the color by pressing this color box. You can click on the text to change the text. You can change the font into something you might think is cooler. You can do with this vision board with whatever you want to do. It's yours. So I'm going to show you an example of how to get started, and then you'll be off to do it on your own. So the way I envisioned people using this vision board is putting pictures and text and words around each of these three things. So career, people, and lifestyle. I put on the second page some helpful stickers to get you started that connect to science, technology, engineering, and math, and also just a couple fun ones. I know the beach is a popular place, for example. So you can drag and drop these things onto your own vision board or search for your own. And I'll show you a really quick example of one down below. So I put a picture of myself. I guess it's just the hair and the glasses, but it kind of looks like me, right?
Not really, but kind of.
I guess it's just the hair and glasses. Yeah. I changed this text here where it had said career. I typed in what I wanted as a career. I used this searching of the elements to find a picture of a computer. I just typed in computer. I dragged the picture of the mountain here from my template onto this area. And these words are just ideas. You can type into them or you can insert the picture over them as a helpful starting point, which is what I did. So I'll do two more examples. Say one of my goals is to make new friends. So maybe I'll drag that over here, and that can be one of the goals related to my career. Maybe I want to have friends at work that I go and do stuff with. All right, so you can delete that word once you have something for it, or you can keep it there. It's whatever you want to do with your vision board. All right, one more, and this time instead of dragging and dropping, I will use the search feature. So I live in Connecticut, but say I want to go to college in Texas. I can search for elements. I'll type in Texas. And, ooh, that's a cool one. I'll plug that one in. Maybe I could do something related to space web development. And I'm going to just put it over that picture to remind me why I did it, and voila. So just an idea of how to get started with this. It's very flexible. It is your vision board, so do what you wish with it. And good luck. I hope you find it helpful in your career planning. Say bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Hope you love Mom's